Hey guys, I'm going to be creating a look today using the new Miss Piggy collection from Ciate London. I'll also be using some other Ciate products as well. I'm going to start off with applying some of the Love Moi lip balm on my lips. I'm now going to use the shade Here in the pigment palette to wash over my eyes. Next up, I'm going to use the shimmery tones in the editor palette in Aspen to pat on my eye. Miss Piggy's playful attitude and strength of self is very positive. For me, self-confidence is about being proud of who I am, growing as an individual, and owning my identity. I love using makeup as a tool to express myself, and it's really helped me discover who I am, and it continues to. Okay, my eyes are all done now and I'm feeling really cute. Last but not least, I'm going to finish off my look using the Watermelon Burst Hydrating Lip Oil. This is the final look, guys, and I hope you love it as much as I do.